learn about what is hardware complete detail about hardware. Hardware refers to the computer tangible components to deliver system and store and run the written instructions provided. The software is an intelligible part of the device that let user interact with the hardware and command perform specific tasks. So here we have some questions and queries about the like what is hardware details. So hardware refer to the external devices that enable you to perform major functions such as input, output, storage, communications, processing, and more. Uh, what is hardware in detail with examples? So the example is here. Hardware refers to the physical elements of the computer. Also refer as the machinery of or the equipment of the computer. Examples of hardware is the computer and the key, the monitor, the mouse, the processing unit. However, most of the computer hardware cannot be seen. It's inside the computer case. Next, what is hardware and its types? Input devices like mouse and keyboard, output device, monitor and printer, secondary storage device, CD, DVD, hard disk, internal components, motherboard, RAM, and CPU, which is central processing unit. Next, what are the five uses of hardware? Hardware refer to the physical, tangible computer equipment and devices which provide support for measure functions such as input processing, internal storage, computation, and control. Output secondary storage for the data and programs and communication. Next, how many types of hardware are there? The hardware of the computer system includes a monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, sound system, RAM, hard disk, and many more. Why computer hardware is important? Without the correct hardware, your software may not run eventually or at all. It is important to consider both when making decisions about the IT system, as this can affect the way you work, your productivity, and your business bottom line. What are the main three hardware types of hardware? Input devices. Input devices comprise of any devices that user needed in order to give instructions to the computer. Second, output device. Output device are device that allow computer to send data to other devices or user. Third, processing device. Next, what is internal hardware? Internal hardware include components such as memory, a video card, a CPU or a CPU, while external hardware examples include input devices as a keyboard, a mouse, an image scanner, and output devices such as printers, speakers, and monitor. What are the important hardware? Which hardware is important to run a computer? So central processing unit. The central processing unit, commonly referred to as a processor, is the brain of your computer. The CPU solves the algorithms and programming your computer does while running or applications. What are the four main functions of hardware? Input process, output storage is the correct order to the four major functions of your computer. Second, there are four main hardware components in the computer system: input, processing, storage, output, and communication devices. What is application hardware? Application hardware means a computing resources such as, by the way, example but not limitation, desktop servers as servers and mainframe used to run multiple applications either locally by the connectivity and shared application. So this was the detailed video about the hardware. So the video is ending